If you've lost access to your DreamHost account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the DreamHost login page. Go to the DreamHost website and click on the login option. Enter your email address associated with your account to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. After clicking the link, DreamHost will send a password reset email to your registered email address. Check your inbox and spam folder for this email. Step 4. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email from DreamHost and click on the password reset link provided. Follow the instructions to create a new password for your account. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Return to the DreamHost login page and enter your email address along with the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to DreamHost support for further assistance.